ERNST Production presents rubber band powered boats. The supplies are pretty simple. You'll need rubber bands, duct tape, an X-Acto knife or scissors, cardboard, markers, and a ruler or just a straight edge will work as well. The first step is pretty easy. You will take your ruler or your straight edge and draw a triangle shape at the top of your piece of cardboard. By doing this, you will have then drawn a house-like shape in the cardboard. Once you have done that, you will then take your ruler or your straight edge and draw a rectangular-like shape at the bottom, leaving about an inch or so on each side of the rectangle that you are drawing. You can see this as shown. Now, once you have drawn all your shapes, you will take an X-Acto knife or scissors, whatever you prefer or have handy, and cut out along the lines that you just drew. I am using an X-Acto knife here because I find it easier to cut cardboard than scissors, but you can use whatever you prefer. Now, after you have done that, you will then take the little piece of cardboard, the rectangle that you just cut out, and you will trim down the sides on both sides to make it smaller than the opening that you have created. By doing this, you are giving the propeller room to move when you wind it up, and this way the boat will actually be able to be propelled forward and the propeller will not hit either side and stall the boat. Now that you have cut out all the pieces that you will need to make your boats, you will now need to cover the cardboard in duct tape to make it waterproof and prevent it from getting soggy when you put it in the water. As you can see, I am using blue duct tape here, but you can use whatever color you choose. It is also during this step, once you have completely covered your boat in duct tape, you can use markers and draw on it whatever you like, or you can just leave it plain and do nothing at all, as I will be doing. Now that you have completely covered your cardboard boat in duct tape, you will slip the rubber band onto your boat over the empty space you have cut out. Place the propeller, the rectangular shape that you have cut out and trimmed and covered in duct tape, into the rubber band. I have also placed a piece of duct tape over the rubber band connecting it to the propeller. Once you have done this, wind up the propeller and let it go. Does it move freely? If so, then you are completely done. Now it is time to test the boats that we have just made in the bathtub. Wind up your propeller and just let it go. See how far it goes. You can also race your boat against other people's boats and see who will win. There's endless things you can do with these and tons of fun to play with. As you are playing with your boat, be careful of what lurks below the water surface. Sea monsters will come out of nowhere and snatch your boat and take it away from you. Be careful, they will do everything that they possibly can to take your boat out of the bathtub and run away. Thank you for watching this video. All rights reserved to ERNST Production.